Act Interactive Quotes makes it easy to generate professional quotes, track customer interactions, and automate follow-ups, all inside Act. In this video, I want to introduce you to Act Interactive Quotes. To access Act Interactive Quotes, log into your Act account and click the Additional Features button in the left navigation. Then click Interactive Quotes in the Sales area. Interactive Quotes is available to every tier of Act Advantage. If you're using Act Cloud and are not seeing the Additional Features button in your left navigation, that means you're not on Act Advantage yet. To upgrade, visit act.com or contact your account manager to explore how you can migrate your account and unlock this and many other powerful features. Before we begin Interactive Quotes, let's briefly explore the Settings area on the right. This is where you can set up things like your quote review process, personalizations, quote cover pages and layouts, email settings, QuickBook integrations, and much more. We highly advise looking through each section on the settings area to get the most customized experience so that your quotes come out looking perfect. Now, we've organized Interactive Quotes by several tabs at the top: Quotes, Activity Dashboard, Reports, Outbox, Templates, Products, Images, and Documents. Let me show you a brief overview of just a few of these, and then we're going to go into the details of each section in subsequent videos. A great place to start is the Products area. This lists all the products and services that you can include within a quote, generating a value for the quote. You can add products one by one here, or you can import a list of products from your Act account or from a spreadsheet file. If you want, you can even include images and videos for each of your products, which can then be added to the quote that you send to your customers. Once you've designed your quote's layout and settings, and have also added your product list, it's time to go to the Quotes area. Now, this is your hub for all of your quotes. At the top, Act displays summary data for all of your quotes. Beneath that, you can view a list of previous quotes that you've generated. This information includes each quote's current status, the billing contact, any relevant dates, quote amounts, and even the sales rep who owns the quote. In the Actions area on the left, you can view more details, resend the quote to your contact, edit it, and more. Click the New button at the top to create a new quote. You can generate quotes from scratch, from existing opportunity records in Act, or from any previous quotes that you've created, which can then serve as templates for future quotes. Now I want to take a brief look at a quote that I created earlier. On the quote page, you can publish quotes to be seen by your customers, or hide quotes from coworkers at the click of a toggle switch. This screen also shows the quote number, status, owner, contact associations, currency type, tax, expiration date, and much more. The Line Items area shows you the list of products and services that make up this quote, along with the quantities and any discounts that you've applied. Go to the Opportunity tab to see the opportunity record associated in Act. When you create a quote from scratch, Act will create that opportunity for you. It's also important to note that the quote stays synchronized to the opportunity record in Act. So when I make changes to one, the changes are always synced to the other. Use the Log area if you'd like to keep any notes specific to this quote. And then the Activity area is there so that you can see an automated history of this quote's progression. Once you're satisfied with your quote, you can send it to the contacts using one of your email templates. You can then track the quote as customers review it and respond to it. When they accept the quote, the Act opportunity status will be changed to Closed and Won. Later on, you can view the Reports area of Interactive Quotes to view the successes of each quote, of each salesperson, and then celebrate your profits as a company.